Hello everybody, I'm Major.
And I'm Phil.
And today we're going to show you how to make the perfect Missouri signature drink.
A little bit of a spicy milkshake. Okay everyone, so what we have here, first of all, is called a Boston Cooler.
Oh.
Now, strangely enough, the Boston Cooler was invented in Michigan. The Boston Cooler is it's vanilla ice cream and Vernors, specifically Vernors ginger soda. And you blend that together. You don't make a float out of it. You don't just pour it together. You want to blend it. So we've never had this and we're gonna try it right now.
Yep.
So here we go. The Boston Cooler. It's like a little bit of a spicy milkshake.
That is very good. Very, very good.
It is. So, there is a sweet dessert drink named after Boston, but made in Michigan. We thought, how about when you were from Missouri?
Yeah.
What about a St. Louis cooler? Now we don't live in St. Louis, but
we
it's
live close enough.
Yeah. No one's going to care if we say the Jackson, Missouri cooler or the Cape Girardeau cooler.
Yeah.
St. Louis cooler now.
Now,
you're
on to something.
We're going to put our foot down and establish the St. Louis cooler today.
All right.
So, and you know, everybody spread it around. We're going to start with vanilla ice cream, and we're using Schnucks brand because Schnucks is from St. Louis.
Yep.
So let's pop this open. The same 3 scoops.
Yep, 3 scoops of Schnucks vanilla ice cream.
Yep. Let's get it in there. Real
Very
good.
Missouri.
Vanilla ice cream really hits the spot when you're like not, sometimes you're not thinking about vanilla ice cream.
Yeah.
Then you have a scoop, you're like, oh man.
You're like, wow, I didn't think vanilla ice cream tasted this good.
That's right. And then Fitz's Cardinal Cream Soda. Now we didn't want to we want to go Fitz's because that is from St. Louis.
Yep.
And you could go root beer, but that's just you're getting into float territory.
Right.
Cream soda is a little, it's just too close to vanilla.
Yeah.
Cardinal Cream has a little fruitier.
Plus the name just screams St. Louis.
They need 12 ounces of the soda. This is 16 ounces, so I'm going to try to really eyeball this. Which
the Fitz's comes in a pint.
Oh, look at that red
can. Wow.
Now this really is a St. Louis
boom
cooler. I'm trying to think how much I need. Is that enough?
I think that's good. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Nothing.
Looks like 12 ounces to me.
Now, we're gonna blend this thing up. I'll let you do the honors this time.
All right.
Your blender.
Here we go. Cyclone.
Okay.
All right. There we go.
A nice pink Pepto-Bismol look. But I bet it tastes good.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't look like a lot, but it's about how much we got when we did the... Besides, this is gonna be a sweet drink. So
easy there.
I almost had the problem I had with the...
It's science, man.
With the van.
You got the vanilla in there.
Yeah, it's good.
With the soda, it's gonna have more mass.
Okay.
All right, put that bad boy there. We'll put the lid on it to keep anything nasty from getting...
Now, as per usual, this is an invention we have not tried yet.
Yep.
So here we go.
First reaction.
To the show me state. Will this impress John Hamm, Jenna Fisher, Nelly, the St. Lunatics?
Yep.
We'll find out. Here we go.
Here we go.
Ooh.
I think so.
It doesn't stray really far from that, but it does enough with that
cream.
Strawberry milk.
Yep.
Almost.
It's like a strawberry, a really good strawberry Nesquik. That's what it's like. Man, it's really good. Like,
we had a home run with that one out of Busch Stadium.
Yeah, boom.
And so here's the thing. Think about this.
Who to be proud.
That's right. Nobody thinks about, and maybe it's just me, you don't think about a lot of blended ice cream drinks. And go to your grocery store's ice cream section. Look at all those different flavors you have.
Yeah.
Look at all the different flavors of soda and just use your imagination and mix some stuff up. Because I was thinking about this the whole time, how much fun it would be to mix all those different flavors into different sodas.
You gotta think about how many combinations you
I know.
can make. Thousands.
And make one for your state, your city, and post it in the comments. Because why should Michigan and Boston have the only tasty sweet drinks?
St. Louis cooler. This would be perfect for the summer. for sure.
You're watching the Cardinals or the Blues.
Yep.
Sure, it's pink, but
We're gonna
you're
have
enjoying
to,
that.
I wonder if they got a blue cream soda. Fitz's.
They got a lot of stuff. We're gonna get into this. We're gonna make a lot of stuff. So
we're going hard for Missouri.
try this out and let you know, and you guys get your own inventions in there. Nobody's stopping you.
Like seriously, if there's ever been a drink that we've made, this is the one. This is the one where I'm gonna say, like, people are like, oh, what's the best one you ever made? I'm gonna say this one.
Strawberry
I think
milk.
this is the #1 spot for what we come up for. What Phil actually came up with this one.
And I put very little effort into it.
Yeah, it's very, very.
Think
good.
about if you did. All right,
That's
you
how
guys
things are invented, you know.
comment what you think even if you don't make it yourself, comment what you think your state, and maybe we'll do it.
Yeah.
That could be a whole series of us doing a series of different states' coolers.
Yep, there you go.
There you go. We're coming up with ideas on the spot.
Right there. But hey, if you like this content, be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell so you're notified whenever we put out new videos like this, because you never know, maybe your next favorite drink.
That's right. So, guys, thanks for watching.
And goodbye.